today we're going to be making Halloween slime. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and bust the notification. Yes, bust it. It's time to our adventures. Oh my god, there's a spider in there. Don't worry, it's not real. I'm going to touch it. It's not real. Let's get started. Boom, boom, eh. Ow. Okay, so let's put this PVA glue in. It's all over my hands. It's on my hands now. So where should I put it? I'll just put it here. Oh, look at my hands. Yeah. We're going to pour a whole spoon of this on. Oh, do you see that bubble pop in there? Now food colouring. We've got to be careful on this one. Now we mix. Oh, we're going to mix this for how long? About 2 minutes, maybe? Okay, let's mix this up. I feel like this is grey, not black. Does it say black food colouring? It says black food colouring on it. Why is it not grey? Maybe when you mix it more it turns grey. What do you think? You? Oh, now let's add some glitter. I'm going to do blue because we've never done blue glitter before. Okay, so let's put glitter in. Bit over here. That should be good. Okay, let's mix it a little bit so it goes under. Okay, so oh, look at it now. Yee. Blue and grey kind of looks a bit cool. Kind of looks like electric. Okay, now we're gonna add saline solution. This activates it. Let's put it on this spoon. Oh, look at it. It's so thick. It's starting to look like slime now, guys. Oh, look at this big blob. Oh, I can't even pick it up. There we go. Look at that. Oh.
Let's see if I can get these in the bowl, guys. Ready? 1,
2. Oh. 1,
3,
2,
4, 5.
That's
now
4.
Keep mixing. Let's see if they go in with the slime.
I bet they're not gonna go. Oh, I gotta hold it. Imagine if one flew out and went all the way there and then back in. Hit me. No. This is the slime, guys. Look at it. I'm going to touch it. Okay, let's grab it all. Oh, it's sticking to my fingers. But if I let go, it's all going to be on my fingers still. Stretchy. Oh my god. Look at it. Our hand is literally covered in glitter. Glitter? Oh, it's slime. Oh, it's so slippery. It's so slippery now. Gotta take that off. This is it, guys. It's not even on my fingers at all, to be honest. Can you see that line there? It's the line of kingdom and it broke. Wait, ready? I'm gonna pull this bit. It's so squishy too. And make it into a ball if it's possible.